Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to fix your suspended TikTok account. I've got a step-by-step guide for you, so let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open your TikTok app, whether you're using an iPhone, Android, or even on your PC. Once you're in the app, go to your profile by tapping on the bottom right corner. Now, click on the three stripes in the top right corner to access the menu. From there, go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find Support, and within that, you'll see Safety Center. Tap on it to proceed. Within the Safety Center, tap on Community Guidelines. Make sure to carefully read through the guidelines to ensure you didn't violate any of them. Now, go back to your profile, tap on Inbox, and then select System Notifications. Look for the notification regarding your banned account. Inside this notification, you should find an option to appeal. Tap on it, and then follow the instructions provided by TikTok. TikTok will review your appeal within 4 to 7 business days. If you haven't violated any community guidelines, your account should be reinstated. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to fix your suspended TikTok account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.